Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages in the world. It's used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and much more. Python is easy to read. It looks almost like English, which makes it perfect for beginners. Let's start with the most basic thing, printing text on the screen. We write print open bracket, quotation marks, hello world, quotation marks, close bracket. This tells Python to display a message. Next, variables. Variables are like containers that store data. For example, we write name equals a Weiss. Now Python remembers the name. You can also store numbers. For example, age equals 21. Now the variable age holds a number. Python can take input from the user. We write input open bracket, enter your name, close bracket. Whatever the user types gets stored. We can combine input with variables. For example, name equals input, enter your name. Python can make decisions using conditions. We write if age is greater than 18, then print you are an adult. Otherwise, print you are under 18. Python can repeat tasks using loops. For example, we write for I in range 5, print hello. This prints hello 5 times. Python can also do math. For example, result equals 10 plus 5. Python will store 15 in result. And finally, Python is powerful because of libraries. For example, import math. That's Python in 100 seconds. Simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Follow for more Python tutorials.